Hey everyone, welcome back to Sunny. In this video, we'll walk you through how to turn off or disable Windows Defender on Windows 11. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Windows Defender is there to protect your computer, but there may be times you want to disable it, so let's get started. First, click the search icon in your taskbar and type in Windows Security, then open it. Once you're in, click the three-line menu icon on the top left to expand the sidebar, and select Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and click Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. From here, toggle off Real-Time Protection. You may be asked to confirm through a security prompt. Just click Yes to allow it. Next, scroll back down and toggle off Cloud-Delivered Protection, as well as Automatic Sample Submission. And that's it! You've successfully disabled Windows Defender on Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe to Sunny, and I'll see you in the next video.